Now, it doesn't matter what you invest in, the one thing that you need to do correctly is your tax. So Tim, tell me what we need to know when it comes to tax.
There's three mistakes that I regularly see people make when it comes to tax. The first one is trying to do the tax themselves, which is completely fine. You're able to do your own tax. However, because of the level of complexity involved when it comes to property investing, the last thing you want to do is miss out on deductions that you can be claiming or get stuff wrong, which could come back to bite you later on.
Absolutely.
The second thing is taking advantage of the depreciable benefits of property investing. So every single year, thousands and thousands of property investors miss out on the depreciation deductions available through property investing. A house is like a car. It drops in value. Now, obviously, we're only talking about the building component, like a house gets old.
Okay.
Now, how much it drops every year is something that you can actually claim as a tax deduction. To do it, what you need is something called a depreciation schedule, which is a report which is completed by a quantity surveyor. They compile the report, and this is then something you can give to your tax accountant, who then knows exactly to the dollar how much they can claim every single year. So the very last thing that I often see is waiting until the end of the year for you to get your tax check back. Now, that might not even make sense. I mean, you wait until the end of the year, you do your tax, and that's when you get your tax check back. Yep. But what about if you didn't have to wait?
Are you serious?
Exactly. So there's something called a tax variation. It's an application that you fill out, probably to do it best with your registered tax agent,
right,
lodge with the Australian Tax Office. And what they do is this, is work out what that big fat check is going to be at the end of the year. Then rather than waiting till the end of the year, what they do is simply take less tax out of your pay every single pay cycle. Now this means you've got excess funds which you can put against your own personal mortgage or against your investment loan, saving you thousands of dollars in interest every single year.
Wow, Tim, I didn't know that. Thank you so much for all the tips today. Now, if you guys want to check out more information, head to infinitewealth.com.au.